Oscar, look. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oscar. Happy birthday to you. Blow with your mouth. Oscar, blow with your mouth. That's it. Yeah, go on. That's it, yeah. Go on, blow them out. Blow the flame out.
Like you're blowing your dinner. When your dinner's too hot, what do you do?
That's it. Yay! Well done, little man. Yeah.
Mr. Mouse, what are you doing?
Nice. Oscar, say nice.
Yeah, he just took a bit off of it and ate it.
Well, he said, it is my cake.
Yeah.
And he said, the best of all,